Acute angle. An acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. For example, the angle between the hour and minute hands of a clock at 1 o'clock. A real-life example of an acute angle is a slice of pizza or a sharpened pencil. Obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is an angle that is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. For example, the angle between the hour and minute hands of a clock at 5 o'clock. A real-life example of an obtuse angle would be a reclining chair or an open laptop. Reflex angle. A reflex angle is an angle which is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. For example, the angle between the hour and minute hands of a clock at 7 o'clock. A real-world example is pizza with a slice taken out. Right angle. A right angle is an angle which is exactly 90 degrees. For example, the corner of a book or a square. Right angles are arguably the most important angles because they are very useful in engineering and construction. Straight angle. A straight angle is an angle that is exactly 180 degrees. Straight angles are formed by flat surfaces. Complete angle. A complete angle is an angle that is exactly 360 degrees. A complete angle represents a full circle or a complete rotation. Full rotations bring you back to your starting point. A complete angle is also known as a full angle or a paragon. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are angles which are in the same position at each intersection when a transversal, a line, cuts through two parallel lines. Angle 1 angle 5, angle 2 angle 6, angle 3 angle 7, angle 4 angle 8 are corresponding angles. Alternate angles. Alternate angles are angles on opposite sides of a transversal, either inside or outside the parallel lines when a transversal, a line, cuts through two parallel lines. Angle 1 angle 8, angle 3 angle 6, angle 2 angle 7, angle 4 angle 5 are alternate angles. Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are angles on the same side of the transversal, inside the parallel lines when a transversal, a line, cuts through two parallel lines. Angle 4 angle 6, angle 3 angle 5 are co-interior angles. The full name of co-interior angles is consecutive interior angles. Inscribed angle. An inscribed angle is the angle subtended on the circumference of a circle by 2 points on the circle or an arc or a chord. It is the angle formed when two chords meet on the circumference of a circle. Two inscribed angles which intercept the same arc are congruent. Central angle. The central angle is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc or a chord. A central angle is an angle whose vertex is at the center of the circle, and its sides, rays, extend to the circumference at 2 points. The central angle is twice the inscribed angle which intercepts the same arc. Tangent chord angle. The tangent chord angle is the angle formed between a tangent to a circle and a chord drawn from the point of contact. The measure of this angle is 1/2 the measure of the intercepted arc or chord, i.e. the central angle. Angle BCD, which is the tangent chord angle, is 1/2 the central angle of arc, ABC. Complementary angles. Two angles are complementary if their measures add up to 90 degrees. 30 degrees and 60 degrees are complementary because 30 degrees plus 60 degrees equals 90 degrees. The two non-right angles in a right-angled triangle are complementary. Supplementary angles. Two angles are supplementary if their measures add up to 180 degrees. 120 degrees and 60 degrees are supplementary because 120 degrees plus 60 degrees equals 180 degrees. The adjacent angles on a straight line are supplementary. Opposite angles. Opposite angles are the angles formed when two lines intersect. They are also called vertical angles or vertically opposite angles. Opposite angles are equal. Angle AOC is equal to angle DOB, and angle AOD is equal to angle COB.